Today, we're putting the DOVOH Laser Level 360 to the test. Let's see how it helped us achieve workshop perfection by allowing us to install perfectly straight French cleats. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fabrica Benedicta. For those of you who are new here, my name is Ken Henderson, and this is your one-stop shop for the creative projects to span the worlds of woodworking. Today we're tackling a common workshop problem, getting those French cleats perfectly straight. Well, I may have just found the solution to the problem. So a few weeks ago, before I started this project of putting these French cleats up, yes, it was just a few weeks ago, I did a box opening and first impression video. So now I'm going to show that box opening and first impression to you right now. And today we're going to be doing a product review. It's the first product review I've ever done. I had a company reach out to me with a laser leveler. And I was excited about this because, well, I'm about to do French cleats on this wall right here. I just finished cutting about 36 8-foot-long French cleats. So this is going to come in handy when laying this out. So anyway, let's get started. I haven't ever opened this box. It's going to be a box opening and a review. It's the DOVOH Professional 4-plane Laser Level. And again, they reached out to me, wanted to know if I'd give them an honest review, and that's what I'm going to do. So let's get on with the opening of the box. So, and as I do always, today's topic is precision, and we're going to look at Saint Benedict because orderliness and being precise, it all goes together. So anyway, all right. So here's our product. Comes in a nice case. That's nice. Well packaged. Got the name on the front. By the way, this is pretty highly rated on Amazon. Again, I've never seen one in action. I've never used one. We're going to unzip it here. Oh, that's very nicely presented. I really like that they've used this foam to inset all the pieces. It's a lot smaller than I anticipated, so that's nice. Very cool. Let's see, a couple of batteries. All right, it comes with 2 batteries. I don't even know what these are. See, there's 7.4 volt batteries. All right, so 2 batteries wrapped in plastic. Charger, like a battery charger. There's a plug for it. Okay, USB cable, that's good. It's a USB-C plug, so very up to date. I don't even know if these batteries are charged. Some kind of scale. I'm not sure what this is for yet. We'll find out. And this looks like a mounting bracket. Maybe for a tripod. Okay, well, I'll have to use my tripod for this. And then, not sure what that's for. Looks like a remote. So it comes with a remote. So here's the level, a bracket, a couple of batteries, a scale, charger. And I'm not sure what this is for yet. We'll dive into the instructions. All right, looks like I've got all of the product out of the packaging. Here's the user manual. Okay. All right, so that's the on-off button. And then there's the horizontal line adjustment switch, the vertical line adjustment switch. There's an indicator up here for number 4, manual mode, pulse mode, and a battery power indicator. Number 7, there's another laser window down here. So there's a laser window down here, 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 here. I missed that one. Okay, so there's a laser window, pendulum manual mode lock. That's right here. Little switch. Battery cover. So the battery cover is right there. Interesting. Okay. So the battery cover opens up. There's a access to it through the bottom. So I guess we can go ahead and take one of these batteries. See if it has any power. Okay. So I've loaded a battery. By the way, this is the KF3-360G model. And so I've loaded the battery. There's a Type-C charging port right on here. Oh, nice. Yes, so there's the charging port. Not only do you have a charger box, but you also have it directly right here. Very good. And 11 is a threaded mount, so you can put it on a tripod. Okay, operation. So turning on the laser tool, self-leveling mode. Okay, so slide the pendulum to the unlocked position to turn on the laser. First of all, we'll just take that off. So slide the pendulum to the unlocked position, which is right here. So that's the switch right here to the unlocked. Oh, yep, there's the laser. Nice. See it all turning on there. Don't know what that all means. Beeping at me. Put it there. Okay, oh yeah, you can see the laser behind me. Okay, so slide the pendulum to unlock. The laser tool beeps, and then beams blink fast when the laser is out of self-leveling range. Okay. All right. I'd like this self-leveling, so let's get a tape measure. One over here. And you can probably see that. So I've got a green line on a green wall, but you can see it right here. Looks really good. I can actually see it. I got some things blocking it, but that's okay. So I'm at 40 3/4. Not bad. 40 3/4. 41 3/4. Interesting. Could be that it's level, but my floor is not. Oh yeah, because I'm at 39 and 1/4 down here. All right, so let's check it with the manual level right here. So I'm just going to align that with the bottom of the laser line there. Go. Yeah, that's dead on level. Sure is. But so that's dead on level, but of course my garage floor is sloping, obviously. So it looks like we'll have to put it in manual mode to be able to throw a line. So I'm going to want a line probably at 40 inches. That's the height of this table saw cabinet. And it's going to be the height of my workbench and everything else that goes right here. So I'm going to probably put that at 40 inches. So I want it to be consistently 40 inches from one end of the wall to the other. This is one of those instances where I don't want it level to the earth, but I want it level to my floor. So checking level accuracy, check the accuracy of your laser tool regularly before place the pendulum in the unlocked mode. Direct the laser tool at the wall. Mark the horizontal line on the wall. Mark the horizontal line. So they check two positions. and then rotate the tool by 180 degrees and position the tool as close as possible to the wall. All right, what happens if I turn it? Let's see if it gets level again. So this is going to come in handy because I'm going to want my cleats to align not only on this wall, but I've got that wall and the little alcove area right over there. I'm going to turn here and we're going to be able to see the line, barely see the line over there. It is daylight right here, but I can see it just fine from where I am. You can barely see the line in the camera, but there it is. Okay, so this area is going to have French cleats in it, and this wall will have French cleats on it, and then this wall, whole length of this wall that I've, all these walls that are painted green will have cleats on them. So you can kind of come back here and I can show you a wide angle of the garage. All of those green walls will have cleats on them. Okay. I don't know what these pieces are. Don't know what it does. Oh, the little scissor lift. Nice. So you can actually place it on the scissor lift like this. Nice. And adjust it. Very cool. All right, well, we're going to get started. I'm going to turn off camera and we'll take a look at this and see what we got. Okay. All right, so I was able to find the common height that I wanted, which was 46 inches high, because if my counters or my tabletops are 40, then I will want that first cleat to be 6 inches above that. And so I was able to set a center point. That's not it. That's actually a stud point, but I did have that sticky at a center point, and then set a far right point, set a far left point, was able to hit the 46 mark on both ends, and so now I have it completely level all the way across. And so, nice. I was able to put it in manual mode because my garage floor slopes down. From floor to ceiling here is 101 inches, and from floor to ceiling down there is 103 inches. So I don't know if that's a common thing, probably, because you want water to drain out of your garage. So overall, I'm very happy with this leveler. It's very easy to use. Put it in the manual mode. I do like it a lot. I can see the green line very well, even on the green walls. So it's easy to see, easy to align. I would love to. We have some pictures in the house that we're going to hang, and I would be great to do that because you put it in autumn level, and that would be perfect for hanging pictures and mirrors and things like that. So overall, I really like it. So here we are a little further into the process, and you can see how it's been very helpful hanging these French cleats. I am able to actually align those cleats past doors and over corners and back into alcoves without having to really measure. I just take a few check measurements to put it in place. And here you can see I've even added a junction box for the electrical wire molding that I put in that will take electricity to all parts of my workshop. I even took it inside. We were doing some little decoration inside, and so we took it inside, and you can see it's perfectly level. And just like that, our French cleats are hanging nice and level. This DOVOH Laser Level is definitely a game changer. In fact, I was highly impressed with the ease of use, the accuracy it had. I can't say enough about it. It is a wonderful product that I highly recommend. I give it 5 stars. It was easy to use, very easy to use. And I'm a user interface designer, user experience designer. So if something's not easy to use, I get very frustrated. This was very easy to use and very easy to figure out. And so I am highly impressed with it. I can't recommend it enough. In fact, I'm seeing the possibilities of this thing. You know, I'm going to be using it in my next set design for one of my theatrical productions. That's going to be awesome. If you're looking to take your French cleat system to the next level and achieve workshop precision and near perfect organization, then the DOVOH Laser Level 360 Self Leveling K4-360G might be the perfect tool for you. I've included links in the description below to the official DOVOH shop and also to Amazon. Don't forget to use my discount code DOVOH at checkout to get a special deal that includes a free tripod. Thanks for joining me today, Fabrica Benedicta fam. Be sure to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. And let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about the DOVOH Laser Level or French cleats in general. Until next time, happy making and God bless.